So I'm all about creating inspiration for you. 99% of these cocktails on my channel are stuff that I've come up with and created. I don't claim to be a mixologist. My cocktails are far and away, they're not mixologist cocktails. They're just fun inspiration. Now, the whole point to that story is simply because when you kind of especially me, write like recipes down in notebooks. I use an online notebook, OneNote. I use OneNote, and I kind of come up with these recipes. I'm thinking, really, I like to push boundaries, but I'm like, oh, I don't know. So this one I want to do. Obviously, it's Friday. I'm going to do I'm going to do vodka recipes on Fridays. That's my new thing. I've gone for blood orange vodka. It's one of JJ's new ones, and I thought, do you know what? I'm going to pair this up with a bit of coconut, but one of the mixes, I will give you a little spoiler. I don't normally do this. I will give you a little spoiler. One of my little spoilers is this little bad boy. And I haven't used it for ages and ages and ages. I'm going right back to my gin reviews, which were 2018, early 2019. Yeah, pomegranate and basil, blood orange and coconut. Really? Now, just before I get into showing you the recipe, obviously it tastes amazing. Obviously it does. Of course it does. I'm going to go run you through it. As always, I put these recipes out to my Legends community, and they come up with names because it's going to go into my cocktail book that's coming out in August 2021. Now, my Legends, I get all of five went this time. Five out of 34. Come on, Legends. Come on. I'm relying on you, Legends. I reckon at least 10 of you can get in for the next filming session. So Trevor V has called it Bloody Cocoa Fizz. I like that. I do like that. Ross went from Vamps Gone, Coco down the Acapulco. And there's a song in there, and I can't quite get the song in my head. Coco, but he's put another one, or Coco down the Acapulco. I can't quite get the song in my head, but I know it's a song. So I know you're singing it at home. I can't quite get there yet. Georgie went for Coco My Nut. So I'm coming back to Georgie for number 2 in a second. Trevor Rose went for John Wick. I'm not going to tell you his workings out, so Trevor, don't you dive in with the comments. John Wick, I want you guys at home that are watching this to put your explanation of how he got to John Wick from this in the comments below. Yeah. But the actual name I went with, Georgie came up with the second name. Georgie, I'm coconuts about you. That's what she went with. There's no reference to the blood orange. There's no reference about it, but it's a cool name, innit? I'm coconuts about you. Right, let's run you through the ingredients for this cocktail. Obviously, I've got JJ Whitley's Blood Orange Vodka. That's my base. We've got a bit of Koko Kanu, a bit of coconut and blood orange. Promise you it works. I've got a bit of sweetness going on, just purely just normal sugar syrup or gum, whatever you've got. I've got some lime juice, and then I haven't rocked this out for ages on this channel. You can still get these bottles, but they come predominantly in little miniature cans now. And this is Double Dutch's Pomegranate and Basil mixer. Not a tonic. It's not a tonic. There's no quinine in there. It's a mixer. A soda, if you like. Well then, I am going to shake this cocktail. There's no need. You could kind of build it in your glass if you wanted to. But the first ingredient I'm going for is JJ's Blood Orange Vodka. I'm going for 60 ml, a double bubble of the vodka. So 2 ounces. Next ingredient I'm going for is hands down my favourite coconut rum. I've done the taste testing. I've got a lot of coconut rums. Nothing competes with this. This is stunking. 15 ml, half an ounce of coconut rum. Coconut and blood orange. Not an obvious combo, but it works. Next ingredient is just some sugar, just to kind of give it just a little bit of sweetness. And I'm just going for 10 ml. You can up it a little bit, but I'm just going for 10 ml, so 1/3 of an ounce. I'm then going for my lime juice, and again, I'm going 15 ml, half an ounce. Again, this is where you play about with your ratios if you want it differently, but 15 ml, half an ounce. Now I'm just going to shake this down, give it some proper welly for about 10 to 12 seconds, chill it down. You know the drill. And when that's cold enough that you can't hold it anymore, I've got hands of steel, so I'm cool. That's when you know it's done, and then we're going to go for our mixer. Let's give you a little close-up of this. UK, I urge you to get it. It's quality, pomegranate, basil, love it. Absolutely love it. I'm going for 60 ml, and so 2 ounces of that. Most people will think of this as a tonic, but it's not. It's a mixer. It's a soda. Right, 2 ounces in there. Feel free to add more. I'm just going to single strain in there. Lovely, jubbly. And then I'm just going to ice this up with just normal sort of cubed ice. You'll have cubed ice at home. Just to garnish, I've got one here that I prepped earlier. I've got a wedge of orange, and I've got like a sprig of mint, again, just to wake the aromas. Sprig of mint, and that'll be gorgeous. If you want even more vodka recipes, dive into one of those videos and playlists that's popping up on screen right now. As always, big old thumbs up if you like the video. If you don't want to miss any of my future content, subscribe.